Welcome to another tutorial on Junos Extension Toolkit. In this video, we will see how to set up your laptop for running Python Jet apps. We will go through the required Python packages. We will download the Jet client package from the Juniper.net website, convert the ideals to Python modules, configure Jet on a device, and run a sample off-box Python application. Let's go to the shell interface of our laptop. We have Python 2.7 installed along with the gRPC IO and gRPC IO tools. Here we get a link to download the client library. Once we log in and accept the agreement, we will get the JetIDL client library package. This package contains the supported API protofiles. Extract these protofiles to your laptop or computer from where you intend to run the Jet app. We will convert the required service protofiles to Python files. Here we will use the authentication and manageability services for the sample test app. This gives us the authentication and MGD service Python files, which can be imported in our test app. Before we go to the test app, let's check out the device configuration required to run Jet services. Under the System Services Extension service, we have configured the request response service to run using gRPC over an SSL secure channel. For SSL, we need to configure the certificate under security hierarchy. Next, let's take a look at the Jet Python app itself. For the demo, we will use the credentials and establish a secure channel with the remote device. Then we use the management services to add some sample configurations on the device. Here we are configuring a system location building and floor. To begin with, we have no configuration under the system location hierarchy on the device. Let's run the sample off-box app from the laptop. Next, let's confirm the configuration changes on the device. Watch out for more tutorials that help you explore the details of all the Jet services and APIs. You can find the Python app used for this demo by following the link in the description below. Thank you for watching this Jet off-box tutorial.